back to another video. You're watching Phones on Judge here with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about LG G5 SE. जी हम बात करने वाले हैं LG के G5 SE की and we are going to compare it with LG G5S, LG G5 itself. तो इन दोनों में देखेंगे क्या डिफरेंस है because usually जो products होते हैं which have the common initials or which we can say are common out there are usually released one after the other in the sequence of few months. So let us see what is the major difference out here and then we'll get into the differences out there. पर सबसे पहले आज हम यहाँ पर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं LG G5 SE और LG G5 की. So talking about G5 and G5 SE, we can say that these two variants go hand in hand. मतलब अगर आप एक के बारे में बात करें तो आप दूसरे के बारे में बात करें बिना रह ही नहीं सकते. They both go in hand, so we can say that these two variants are really amazing one out here. Talking about this variant, talking about LG G5 and G5 SE, I will talk simultaneously about both of them and tell you the differences and the similarities. Talking about the similarities out there, they both were 2016 मॉडल, दोनों ही 16 के मॉडल हैं and साथ ही साथ आपको डबल सिम और सिंगल सिम स्लॉटेशन देखने को मिलेगा. You will get to see that they both have single SIM slottation as well as double SIM slottation too. Whereas if we talk about this double SIM phone out there, it has got hybrid dual SIM out there. मतलब hybrid dual SIM देखने को मिल रहा है. Along with that, you also get to see that they have IPS LCD capital touch screening along with 16mm colorization. मतलब 16mm colorization भी देखने को मिल रहा है. Along with that, you get to see that these two variants or this model out here, if we talk, they have got 5.3 inch screen size. Along with that, they have got Gorilla Glass 4 protection. मतलब कहा जाता है काफी ज्यादा अच्छा वेरिएंट है. Along with that, if we talk about the expandability, they both have got a expandable storage capacity, but only for the dual SIM models out there. Yes, dual SIM models only have the expandability. Single SIM slottation phones does not have the expandability. The camera quality remained the same, which is 8 megapixel selfie camera and 16 megapixel rear camera out there. They both have the same qualifications out there. Whereas these two variants definitely do have a great capturing capacity, everything out there, like video quality is good out there, as well as you get to see a good selfie camera out there, you get to see a good capturing capacity. But when we talk about these two variants, we can say that these two variants do have dissimilarities also, apart from having everything similar, चाहे वो इसका Bluetooth connection हो या फिर कुछ और हो, कनेक्टिविटीज हो या USB चार्जिंग हो या कुछ भी हो. बैटरी लाइफ तक अगर हम बात करें, it is also absolutely same, 2800 mAh battery life. But when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version out here, we can say that these variants do offer a difference out there, and the differences which lie out in these two variants are like Android system, OS system which is being used. OS system which is being used out there has, like I would say 5 की अगर मैं बात करूँ, G5 की बात करूँ तो कह सकते हैं कि उसमें Android 6 है, both have Android 6, nothing is different in that, but the upgradability is different. 5 की बात करें G5, only G5 has Android 8, whereas G5 SE has Android 7. So this is the dissimilarity. तो upgradability की वजह से कह सकते हैं SE is a weak variant as compared to G5. स्नैपड्रैगन की बात करें तो स्नैपड्रैगन G5 में ज्यादा अच्छा है as compared to G5 SE. You get to see 820 Snapdragon processing system in G5, whereas 620 or 652, these two variants out there in G5 SE. So this is a major difference out there. But when we talk about G5 SE, we can say the expandability might be there, but it would not require much expandability, क्योंकि 32 GB की स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी के साथ 3 GB रैम मिल रही है तो उतनी जरूरत नहीं है. वही 5G की बात करें तो उसमें 32 GB है और 4 GB रैम दे रहे हैं, तो उसमें डेफिनेटली इतनी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं देखने को मिलेगी. You can also say that these two variants definitely offer a great pricing out there. They offer a great pricing as well as a great difference in lot of things. But ये minor differences भी बहुत कुछ pricing में differ कर देते हैं. And one such variation we can see in the pricing also. But such websites offer you a huge difference, and we might say not a pocketable rates, not a worthy rates out there. तो आई हैव गॉट अ साइट फॉर यू जहां पर ये आपको बहुत अच्छे प्राइस में मिल सकता है. फॉर दैट ऑल यू टू डू इज डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाना है, लिंक पर क्लिक करना है एंड you will land up to this kind of a site. The website name is phoneson.ae. Yes, the website name is this. The blue highlighted one is the ending of it. We can say phoneson.ae is a good website out here because it offers you not just one brand out here, n number of brands in the category of all mobile phones. These are the brands out here, the search icon, as well as you get to see that it offers you not just one branding, 6 months warranty, 7 days exchange policy, COD, free home delivery are also available. चलिए हम एक बार सर्च कर लेते हैं अपना G5 वेरिएंट और G5 SE वेरिएंट. मतलब हम अगर LG का G टाइप करते हैं then we get to see a huge productivity out here, so we can definitely check out the variants out there. So the result has been out. मैंने LG का टाइप किया था G and I wanted to see the specifications of G5 and SE both and उनकी प्राइसिंग को भी देखना था, तो I just typed it and I got a result of this. LG G5 में आपको दोनों वेरिएंट्स देखने को मिल रहे हैं, LG G5 and LG G5 SE, बट दोनों में ही कंडीशन जो लिखी हुई है and both have और कंडीशन विच इज रिफर्बिश्ड कंडीशन. तो सबसे पहले आज हम रिफर्बिश्ड कंडीशन की बात करते हैं. लेट अस नो व्हाट इज रिफर्बिश्ड कंडीशन, उसके बाद आगे की बात. Let us talk about the refurbished products today itself. Like let us know what is refurbishedness, what is refurbished product. सबसे पहले refurbished की बात करते हैं. Talking about refurbished products or talking about refurbishedness, we can say that refurbished products are something brand new like, or we can say something newly like. ये री का मतलब अगर वी टॉक अबाउट द वर्ड इटसेल्फ, तो री एंड फर्बिश आर टू डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. री मींस अगेन, पहले जैसा, और फर्बिश मींस समथिंग क्रिएटिंग न्यू, something creating from the old one, or like this we can see. So the combined word here itself means creating something newly like. So we can say that furbish word itself means creating newly like. And when we talk about these kind of products, they are no different from the brand new products. मतलब brand new और इनमें ज़्यादा difference नहीं होता है. The thing is that these vary only in the market price, or we can say the usage capacity. Like brand new products are directly sold out from the company to the users or in between the agencies. But refurbished products are like company, then one user, and then the agencies, and then the user again. So कह सकते हैं कि brand new products जो हैं almost और refurbished products, और ये दोनों they are the synonyms. We won't say synonyms, but they are quite similar in the usage capacity, or we can say in the we can say like testimoniality, we can say structurality, functionality, everything out there is same. Talking about these variants, we can say that the brand new products are testified on the basis of different categories. Same happens with the brand refurbished products too. मतलब उनमें भी एक testimonial. If we talk about these testimonials, we can say the test, verify, certificates, parameters. They involve like display, its structurality, its audio quality, FM, triple M jack, or we can say the colorization, display has scratch or not, buttons, data wiping, OS system, the CPU it is using, or we can say everything. मतलब जितने भी parts हम बात करें, जो भी specifications सब पढ़ते हैं, चाहे वो इसकी बैटरी लाइफ को लेकर हो, चाहे वो इसकी वीडियो क्वालिटी को लेके हो, या इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग को लेके हो, या इसके इंटरनल फैक्टर्स को लेके हो, चाहे वो इसका जीपीयू हो, एनएफएस हो, इंफ्रारेड पोर्ट हो, या इसका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हो, मतलब एनीथिंग आउट देयर, दे आर क्लासिफाइड एज सच अ कैटेगरी. ब्रांड न्यू भी इन्हीं कैटेगरी की बेसिस पर जज किया जाता है, एंड रिफर्बिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स आर आल्सो जज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दीस कैटेगरीज हियर इटसेल्फ. तो इन दोनों को जब जज कर दिया जाता है इन दोनों कैटेगरीज की बेसिस पे, वी कैन से दैट यस, both the products are almost same. Like why I said almost, because when we talk about brand new products, they are verified and tested by the company, they are checked out by various sites, whereas refurbished are checked out with one particular site, जिस साइट पे वो लिस्ट हो रहे होते हैं. मतलब इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन साइट, तो उसी साइट ने उसका पूरा टेस्ट किया है, उसे वेरीफाई किया है. इफ यू आर सीइंग इट ऑन अनदर साइट, उस साइट ने उसे वेरीफाई किया है. सो दिस कैन बी सेड कि यस, different sites verify different products. Now talking about this variant, why I'm talking about this variant, what are the advantages of having refurbished products, or what are the benefits of having a refurbished product for you? Number one, I would say, is none other than the savings of up to 15%. Yes, I have to say then it would be saving up to 15%. Talking about saving, we can say that why you can save up to 15%, because you get it in a pocketable rate. Yes, you get it in the pocketable rates. अगर pocketable rates में है तो definitely आपको save भी करने को मिल रहा है. You can save up to आराम से 15% तक saving हो जाती है. Because brand new products are quite expensive out there. Whereas the same model in the refurbished condition, if we talk about in few times, then the price is actually in our pockets. Yes, that has dropped, or we can say is now much more for our pockets, so we can use that. So savings मिल जाती है. Then next comes out the warranty period. Yes, you get to have 6 months warranty period out है, मतलब 6 महीने की warranty period भी आपको देखने को मिल जाती है. जबकि ब्रांड न्यू की बात करें उसमें 1 ईयर की वारंटी पीरियड आराम से देखने को मिलती है. So this is the major difference. But you do not get the exchange policy out there for the brand new products, but here you get the exchange policy for 7 days. तो 7 दिन की exchange policy भी आपको यहाँ देखने को मिलती है. So that's a wonderful feature out here. And these are the few benefits, or we can say these are the few advantages of having a refurbished product. Now talking about these advantages, or talking about the site where these products are available at a very valuable or an amazing rate out there, then I would say there is a site which helps you to get such amazing products in your pocketable rates and save up to 15%. So let me take you to the site as well. आप या तो डिस्क्रिप्शन पे जा सकते हैं लिंक पर, या फिर आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि आप गूगल पे जाके टाइप कर सकते हैं. यस, यू कैन टाइप द साइट नेम इज दिस. साइट नेम इज phoneZone.ae. आप गूगल पे जाके इस साइट को भी टाइप कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप आ सकते हैं हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, यू कैन चेक दिस आउट. टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस साइट, मैं ऑलरेडी आपको इस साइट के बारे में बहुत कुछ बता चुकी हूँ. And now talking about this site, this is the area out here where you get to see not just one brand, but n number of brands out there, as well as best deals is there. You get to see brand new products out there. मतलब यहाँ पे आपको हर चीज देखने को मिलती है. As well as when we talk about this website, you can say that this website offers you n number of things, n number of offers. So this website offers you n number of deals out there. Like the website homepage is this, and this offers you deals like cash on delivery is also there, free home delivery is there. So everything is out there, and you get to see the search icon, all your favorite brands out here. So definitely you can try out this website. The website name is, once again I'm telling you, the PhoneZone.ae. Yes, the website name is PhoneZone.ae. तो यही था वेबसाइट के बारे में, प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में, और आप सभी के लिए रिफर्बिश और ब्रांड न्यू का थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस. एंड इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर. एज वेल एज आप इस वेबसाइट पे ट्राई आउट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मिलती है आपको बेस्ट प्राइसिंग के साथ साथ बेस्ट डील्स भी आपके फेवरेट मॉडल्स के लिए. टिल देन टेक केयर.